Hello friends, welcome to our channel Way to Knowledge Hub. Current Affairs MCQs Part 4. Question number 61. Which Indian state was recently declared the country's first fully digitally literate state? Option A Karnataka, Option B Maharashtra, Option C Tamil Nadu, Option D Kerala. The answer is Option D Kerala. Kerala becomes India's first digitally literate state. Kerala has made history by becoming the first fully digitally literate state in India, a milestone officially declared by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan at Central Stadium, Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 62. Which bill did Prime Minister Narendra Modi endorse that brings even the Prime Minister under the purview of anti-corruption law? Option A 128th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Option B 129th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Option C 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Option D 131st Constitutional Amendment Bill. The answer is option C 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Question number 63. National Space Day on August 23 is observed to commemorate which achievement of ISRO? Option A launch of Chandrayaan 1. Option B launch of Mangalyaan. Option C Chandrayaan 3's landing on Moon's South Pole. Option D launch of Gaganyaan mission. The answer is option C Chandrayaan 3's landing on Moon's South Pole. The day commemorates the successful soft landing of the Chandrayaan 3 mission's Vikram lander and the deployment of the Pragyan rover on the moon on 23rd of August 2023. Question number 64. Name the Fiji Prime Minister recently arrived in New Delhi on a 3-day visit and held talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option A Anthony Albanese. Option B Sitiveni Rabuka. Option C Rishi Sunak. Option D Sheikh Hasina. The answer is option B Sitiveni Rabuka. Question number 65. Which state emerged as the overall champion at the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Option A Kerala. Option B Karnataka. Option C Haryana. Option D Maharashtra. The answer is option D Maharashtra. Question number 66. The center has set up high-level committees to celebrate anniversaries of which leaders? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, B.R. Ambedkar. Option B Sardar Patel, Birsa Munda, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option C Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rajendra Prasad, Rabindranath Tagore. Option D Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The answer is option B Sardar Patel, Birsa Munda, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 67. Recently, Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer VinFast inaugurated its first EV production facility in which Indian state? Option A Telangana. Option B Kerala. Option C Andhra Pradesh. Option D Tamil Nadu. The answer is option D Tamil Nadu. Question number 68. The Asian Shooting Championship 2025, where Sift Kaur Samra is an Indian rifle shooter, won gold, was conducted in which city? Option A Doha, Qatar. Option B Shymkent, Kazakhstan. Option C Beijing, China. Option D New Delhi, India. The answer is option B Shymkent, Kazakhstan. Question number 69. Former RBI Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed as Executive Director at which international organization in 2025? Option A World Bank. Option B IMF. Option C ADB. Option D WTO. The answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. Question number 70. The government is set to launch the beta version of which AI-powered translator for tribal languages? Option A Bhashini. Option B Adivani. Option C Vani Setu. Option D Janavani. The answer is option B Adivani. Question number 71. Which Indian NGO won the 2025 Raman Magsaysay Award? Option A Akshay Patra Foundation. Option B Pratham Education Foundation. Option C Foundation to Educate Girls Globally. Option D, Smile Foundation. The answer is option C, Foundation to Educate Girls Globally. This is the first Indian organization to get the honor. Question number 72. What was the official theme for India's National Sports Day 2025? Option A, एक घंटा खेल के मैदान में. ऑप्शन ए, एक घंटा खेल के मैदान में. ऑप्शन बी, स्पोर्ट टू प्रमोट पीसफुल एंड इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटीज. ऑप्शन सी, फिट इंडिया फिट नेशन. ऑप्शन डी, प्ले फॉर यूनिटी एंड हेल्थ. The answer is option B, sport to promote peaceful and inclusive societies. Question number 73. The Indian Army contingent reached which location in the USA to participate in the 21st edition of Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2025? Option A, California. Option B, Alaska. Option C, Texas. Option D, Florida. The answer is option B, Alaska. Question number 74. What is the official theme of National Nutrition Week 2025 in India? Option A, nutritious food for all, from children to the elderly. Option B, eat right for a better life. Option C, feeding smart right from the start. Option D, nutritious diets for everyone. The answer is option B, eat right for a better life. Question number 75. India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025 is option A 110, option B 112, option C 115, option D 120. The answer is option C 115. Question number 76. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Semicon India 2025 on 2nd September 2025 at option A New Delhi, option B Bangalore, option C Hyderabad, option D Gandhinagar. The answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 77. The Indian Army recently conducted Yudh Kaushal 3.0 exercise in which state? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Ladakh. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, Uttarakhand. The answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 78. Indian Railways signed an memorandum of understanding with which bank to provide enhanced insurance benefits to railway employees? Option A, Punjab National Bank. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Bank of Baroda. Option D, Union Bank of India. The answer is option B, State Bank of India. Question number 79. Russia recently unveiled a vaccine after successful preclinical trials. It is targeted against which disease? Against option A, colon cancer. Option B, breast cancer. Option C, cervical cancer. Option D, lung cancer. The answer is option A, colon cancer. Question number 80. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Option A, Jagdeep Dhankar. Option B, Venkaiah Naidu. Option C, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Option D, Harivansh Narayan Singh. The answer is option C, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Subscribe to our channel Way to Knowledge Hub. Thank you for watching.